is what you'll need for a simple but delicious way to prepare salmon. Some salmon, of course, some garlic, an orange, soy sauce, and then either honey or sweet chili sauce if you're feeling a bit braver, and to finish it off, some spring onions. First thing we're going to do is get the zest and the juice from your orange. With your orange prepared, time to get a bit of oil into your pan and a good knob of butter, and just get them melted and mixed. Once they've mixed together, it's time to put your salmon fillets in, skin side down, and we're just going to give them a few minutes to crisp up the skin. When your skin looks nice and crispy, time to put a bit of salt and black pepper onto your fleshy parts, and then we're just going to flip them over, and then into there to accompany that we're going with your chopped spring onions, and just give these 3 or 4 minutes to cook the salmon through. When your salmon flesh is cooked and the onions, move them to one side, then you're going in with your orange juice, your garlic. I like plenty of garlic, as you can see. If you're not as mad for garlic as I am, just use a couple of cloves. Just give them a minute to release the flavours of that garlic. When they've had a minute, it's time to go in a couple of tablespoons of your soy sauce, 3 of either sweet chili sauce or honey. Give them a good mix round. And then last but not least, your orange zest, which really oranges up the sauce. And then we're just going to leave this on the heat for a few minutes just to reduce that sauce down so it becomes thicker and nice and sticky. When your sauce is thickened up nicely and reduced, it's time to get your plate out and then serve up your salmon with whatever you're going to accompany it with. So, onto the plate it goes. Don't forget all your lovely sauce that you've prepared. And of course have a tester, and then get stuck in.